Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my nail polish collection. I've been super into nail polish lately and I thought it would be fun to show you what I have been using. So I keep all of my nail polish in this cheap little Sterilite container here, and I just store this on the shelves in my bathroom. So I don't do anything fancy, but because everything is on its side, I am gonna have to shake up all of the bottles and whatnot, so just keep that in mind. But in this top drawer here, I keep top coats, oils, and my blues. So I'm not a huge blue nail polish person, so I only have a couple, but I do have quite a few top coats here. So first of all, this is an oil from Essie, and this is their Quickie drying drops, and I've only used these a few times. I don't really love them. I mean, they're not bad, but they're just not really my favorite. So there's those, and then I have a top coat here. This is from Ciate, and this is their Gelology Topcoat, and I got this in an Ipsy bag, and this makes your nails look like gel. It's a very thick, shiny top coat. I use that one on my toes a lot typically. This was my favorite top coat for a really long time. This is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, and I think for a cheaper drugstore option, this is a really good top coat. And then my favorite top coat, and the only top coat I will ever use for the rest of my life, is the Essie Gel Couture Topcoat. I absolutely love this. It makes my nails last for at least a week, and if I pair this with their Gel Couture nail polish, I can get away with having the same nail polish on for 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. So I really love this stuff. And then for my blue polishes, I have, first of all, this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear, and this is in the shade Big Teal. I really like this color for the summertime when I'm in the mood for a blue. And then this one is from Trust Fund Beauty. It's the shade What's a Budget, and this is a really pretty teal, kind of minty blue color, and this is really stunning for the springtime. This next drawer down, I keep a lot of my pinks and my neutrals. So as you can tell, I own a lot of the same shade of pink. So I'm really into this light neutral pink color. This first shade here is from Essie, and this is in the shade Topless and Barefoot. This is not my favorite formula, not gonna lie. I've only really tried it a few times and I wasn't super impressed with it. I don't think that Essie's formula in and of itself is anything really special, but I was trying it with the Sally Hansen top coat. I haven't tried it with the Essie gel top coat, so maybe I'll like it more with that. Next up here is the Opi Nail Lacquer, and this one is the shade Bubble Bath, and this is, as you can kind of see through the bottle, a very sheer pink color. This is actually what I wore on my wedding day, and it's just a nice sheer pink. It just gives you a really pretty tint to your nails. This is like the perfect wedding nail polish color, and I really love this shade. Next up here is the Opi Polish, and this one is in the shade Stop It, I'm Blushing. And I saw this on Amy Lynn Thompson's Instagram page, and I immediately ran out to try to find this color. The only place I could find it was online through Walmart, and I scooped it up, and this is a very opaque, bright pink color, and I absolutely freaking love this shade. It's so girly and it's so pretty, and it is just the ultimate bright pop of pink on your nails, and I freaking love this color. Lastly, for my light pinks is the Essie Gel Couture Polish, and this is in the shade, you're not going to be able to see it all, but this is in the shade Lace Me Up, and this is just a really pretty ballerina pink color. It's very similar to Stop It, I'm Blushing over here, but this formula is insane. It's so good, and I want to get a bunch more of these Gel Couture polishes because I really like them. The next pink shade I have is from KL Polish, and this is in the shade Alyssa. I love the KL Polish formula. I'm dying to order more shades. I'm trying to wait until Christmas, but I really love her formula. This is just an awesome everyday, like, nude, neutral pink shade, and I really like this. I've worn this one a ton. Similar to that is another KL Polish shade. This one is Aquarius, and this is just a little bit of a darker, browner, nude pink color, and I've worn this so much. This might be my most worn nail polish. I really have used the crap out of this, and I love these. These are ones that I can wear, all three of these really are ones that I can get away with wearing for like 3 or 4 weeks on my nails without chipping, so I love those. And my last neutrally pink color is the Wet n Wild One Step Wonder Gel, and this is in the shade Stay Classy, and this is pretty much exactly what the sticker on the bottle is. It's just a nice neutral pink color. It's pretty much an exact middle shade between these two. If you mixed these two together, it would be this color, and I really like this on my nails. As you can tell, I'm all about like the neutral pink shades. That's kind of my comfort zone, so those I do have a lot of. And then these are some more that I got in Ipsy. This is from, I think it's Essie is how you pronounce it, and this one is in the shade Deception, and it is what I'm wearing currently on my nails, and I get a ton of compliments on this. It's a really pretty fall color, and I think it's just the perfect like green gray shade, and I love this for September, October, and November especially. I really like this color. And then the last neutrally color I have is from Nail Medic. This is a charcoal infused nail polish, and it is in the shade... This actually does not have a shade name on it. I can go back through my Ipsy videos and try to find the exact shade of this, but it is just a really pretty, like, icy lavender gray color is what I would call it, and it's just so gorgeous for like January, late December. It's a very like wintry lilac-y gray, and I really like that one. And then in this last drawer here, I have all of my brighter and darker pink and red shades. So to start with the pinks, this is another Trust Fund Beauty polish, and this is in the shade I'm Kind of a Big Deal. I got this in an Ipsy forever ago, and this is my #1 favorite toe color for spring and summer. This is just a beautiful like poppy pink color, and I really love this. This color is pretty similar, but this is a little bit more peach. This is the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear Hard as Nails, and this is in the shade Giant Peach, and this is a really pretty peachy pink color. I currently have this on my toes, and I was wearing this pretty much all summer long. It's a very Barbie pink peachy shade, and I do really like this formula with my Essie top coat. It lasts a really long time, and they're very cheap, and they have a ton of colors, so I highly recommend this line. I find if you invest in a really good solid top coat, you can get away with wearing cheap nail polishes, and it looks beautiful and it lasts a long time. This bright hot pink color is from Aurora. This is their Gel Effect Nail Lacquer, and I love this guy on my toes during the summer. It is in the shade Alarm Fire, and it is a bright hot neon pink, and like I said, during the summertime this makes me look so tan. This is from Dermalect, and it is in the shade... I'm gonna have to look back and find a shade name for this guy as well because it's not on the actual bottle, but this is a really pretty like poppy purple color, and I really like this. It's a nice purpley pink. I wear this on my toes pretty much all fall and winter. I think that it is just a really interesting kind of different shade, and the formula is pretty okay, so I like that. That was another Ipsy nail polish. And then this is from Void, and again, there is no shade on here because I got it in an Ipsy, but this is just a nice like magenta color, and it's a really pretty vampy shade that I really like during October. I think it's really cool. And this is a pretty similar color. This is another one from the Wet n Wild Wonder Gel line, which I really love the formula of. I think they discontinued this line though, but it has a really good formula. And this one is in the shade Under My Plum. And again, this is just a really dark, vampy color, and this is so pretty during the fall. I love this for the week of Halloween. That is when I bust this guy out and I love it. And then my very last color here is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel line. This is in the shade Dig Fig, and this is a beautiful red, and I really love this for the holidays. That is when I typically break this guy out, but this is my go-to red and I love it. So there you have it. This is my entire nail polish collection. I really want to pick up some more of the Essie Gel Couture. That's a really awesome formula. The KL Polish is such a good formula, and also the Wet n Wild formula is really good, and the Sally Hansen formula is awesome as well. So those are my favorites personally. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you've tried any of these nail polish formulas and what you think, what your favorite top coats and base coats are, all of that. I would love to check out some of your recommendations, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.